Hello YouTube. So tonight we're gonna unbox a Power Air Fryer oven. This we thought would be a good addition for the cargo trailer, being able to not have to even carry a microwave, an oven. It was just the fact of not having to take several different appliances when we can hopefully knock it all out in one. The fact that this will do all the things as you see there. So we'll give us a couple minutes, we'll get it unboxed and we'll check it out. Okay, so we got it all plugged in and we've got a pack of loaded potato bites in there. I went ahead and sprayed it with non-stick cooking spray and we'll start it up and we'll see what it's like. Yeah? Okay, so this is the finished product after, shoot, it wasn't even 6-7 minutes in there. I made these before in a regular oven and they are not crispy at all in a regular oven, but these actually turned out okay. So looking forward to using this in the camper, especially we've got a camping trip coming up in I think a month and a half, but we will be using this for anything and everything while there. All right guys, thanks for watching.